Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Neo 3 GT, and today I will show you how we can put this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, you will first want to turn off your device by holding the power button. Now when you do, any kind of Google Gemini that will show up right here, ignore it and continue holding it till you have this visible. From here, select power off. When the phone turns off, it will be indicated with the phone's vibration. It's still kind of loading the powering off. There we go, there was a vibration. So when you feel that, you can then hold power button and volume up at the same time. And when you see the Nubia logo, let go of the power button. And once the recovery mode shows up as well, you can let go of the volume up. Now in here, let me first increase the exposure, just so we can clearly see the other options here. So, to navigate through this menu, we will need to use a volume button. So volume down will navigate down, up will go up, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected with that blue line. So with that in mind, we can select either one of the two options, either Bootloader or Fastboot Mode to enter Fastboot Mode. I know the Bootloader isn't labeled as Fastboot Mode, but it is the same mode. Now I'll first start off with this one. So once it's selected, I'm going to confirm it with the power button. And the reason I'm starting off with this one is because this one actually has a menu, just like recovery mode. So you navigate here the same way, using volume buttons and power button. And in here we have a couple options like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We can enter recovery mode, which is the previous page that we had. Reboot to Bootloader. This is the other Fastboot mode. And power off. So just to show you this, I'm going to select Bootloader right here. And I'm going to confirm it. And you're going to see that this is also another Fastboot mode. I am actually, before I was just kind of freehanding this, but you know what, let's zoom in. So you can kind of see right here, it says, kind of barely you can see OT, but it's BOT right here. So that stands for, obviously, Fast Boot mode. Now, if it would have been Bootloader, obviously it would have said something like load at the end, but that's definitely not a D at the end right here. So, yeah, it's basically under Fastboot mode. Anyway, let me unzoom now. There we go. So, to leave this mode, we will need to hold power button. And when I hold it for like 5 to 10 seconds, basically as long as it takes for the screen to turn off. There we go. When it turns off, you can let go of the button and wait for the device to boot back up into Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.